Finding the perfect idea for a business is not about luck or waiting for inspiration to strike. It's a process, a system, and a mindset. The truth is, most people fail not because they have a bad ideas, but because they never test, validate, or focus on ideas that actually solve problems. The best business ideas come from understanding what people need, what frustrates them, and what they are willing to pay for. Start by observing. Look at the problem around you in your daily life, online communities, social media groups, or industry forums. Every frustration someone expresses is a potential business opportunity. Pay attention to requiring complaints and patterns. If multiple people are struggling with the same problem, there's a chance that solving it could become a profitable business. Next, consider your skill and passion. That perfect business idea is where your expertise intersects with the real market need. It doesn't have to be revolutionary, it just needs to be provided value. When your skills align with your problem, you are naturally better equipped to create solutions faster and more effectively than someone starting from scratch. Then comes validation. Don't spend months building something without checking if people will actually pay for it. You can validate your idea quickly by creating something landing page, running social media ads, or even just asking potential customers if they would buy your solution. Real feedback is worth more than months of guesswork. Another powerful approach is to improve an existing product or a service. Many successful businesses didn't even invent something new. They made something better, faster, cheaper, or more convenient. Study the market, identify weaknesses in current solutions, and find a way to differentiate your offer. Finally, think about scalability. A great business idea is not just about making a few sales, it's about creating a system that can grow over time. Digital businesses, subscription services, or online courses are examples of scalable models because they allow your income to grow without being limited by your time. Finding the perfect idea is not one-time moment of genius. It's about research, observation, testing, and refinement. By looking at problems, leveraging your skills, validation quickly, improving existing solutions, and planning for growth, you can discover ideas that not only excite, but you can also have the potential to make real money in 2025 and beyond.